Cars and trucks for kids. Learn vehicle names in English. Pickup truck. Pickup truck. This is a pickup truck. It has a strong body and an open cargo bed at the back to carry tools, boxes, and heavy loads. People often use pickup trucks for both work and travel because they are powerful and convenient. Car. Car. This is a car. It is designed to carry people safely and comfortably from one place to another. Cars come in many shapes, colors, and sizes, making them one of the most common vehicles in the world. Police car. Police car. This is a police car. It helps police officers patrol the streets, chase criminals, and respond quickly to emergencies. The flashing blue and red lights warn others to make way. Garbage truck. Garbage truck. This is a garbage truck. It collects trash from homes, streets, and bins every day to keep the city clean and healthy. It plays an important role in protecting our environment. Dump truck. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries sand, soil, or rocks to construction sites and can lift its back bed to unload the materials easily. Dump trucks are very important for building roads and houses. School bus. School bus. This is a school bus. It takes children to school every morning and brings them home safely in the afternoon. The bright yellow color makes it easy to see on the road and helps keep students safe. Monster truck. Monster truck. This is a monster truck. It has giant wheels, a super powerful engine, and can jump over cars or crush obstacles during exciting shows. Monster trucks are built for strength, fun, and loud action. Street sweeper truck. Street sweeper truck. This is a street sweeper truck. It uses large spinning brushes to clean up dust, dirt, and small litter from the road. Thanks to these trucks, our streets always stay neat and beautiful. City bus. City bus. This is a city bus. It carries many passengers around the city and helps people travel easily without using their own cars. Taking the bus is a safe and eco-friendly way to move around. Recycling truck. Recycling truck. This is a recycling truck. It collects recyclable materials such as paper, plastic, and glass and takes them to recycling centers where they can be reused. Recycling trucks help keep our planet clean and green. Self-propelled vacuum sweeper. Self-propelled vacuum sweeper. This is a self-propelled vacuum sweeper. It moves by itself and uses a strong vacuum system to suck up dust and litter from the ground. It helps keep parks, sidewalks, and city streets spotless. Ambulance. Ambulance. This is an ambulance. It carries sick or injured people to the hospital quickly and safely. The loud siren and flashing lights tell other vehicles to move aside. Fire truck. Fire truck. This is a fire truck. It carries firefighters, water, hoses, and ladders to put out fires and rescue people. The truck is bright red, with loud sirens and flashing lights to alert everyone nearby. Tow truck. Tow truck. This is a tow truck. It helps move broken or damaged vehicles to repair shops or safe places. Its strong hook and cables can lift and tow cars easily. Taxi. Taxi. This is a taxi. It takes passengers anywhere they need to go in exchange for a fare. Taxis are easy to find in busy cities and are very convenient for short trips. Logging truck. Logging truck. This is a logging truck. It carries large logs from the forest to factories for making furniture, paper, and other products. The heavy logs are tied securely with strong chains. Cement mixer truck. Cement mixer truck. This is a cement mixer truck. It mixes cement, sand, and water in its large spinning drum to make concrete for construction. The drum keeps turning to stop the concrete from drying out. Crane truck. Crane truck. This is a crane truck. It uses a long, strong metal arm to lift and move heavy materials high into the air. It is often seen at construction sites and tall buildings. Ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. This is an ice cream truck. It plays cheerful music to let children know it's coming and sells cold, delicious ice cream on hot, sunny days. Fuel tanker truck. Fuel tanker truck. This is a fuel tanker truck. It carries gasoline and fuel to gas stations safely. The driver must be very careful because the liquid inside is highly flammable.